Hello everyone. Well, welcome back to Design Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we will be taking a look at some more DIY project ideas and reacting to them. So here we have someone with some little wooden pieces here, the little wooden circles. Looks like they might be making a candle holder. Oh, wow. Those actually came out really nice. Cute, simple way to accent a candle. Very cool idea. And that's a pretty easy, beginner-friendly project. Nothing too complicated. You could also spray paint that down too if you wanted to, or paint it. Give it a little bit of color, but I like the exposed wood. And then we have some type of lamp using clay. So they're pretty much using bowls to come up with the design here. They have several different patterns, and I guess they're gonna stack and layer these. Wow. Okay, this looks pretty complicated. It looks like it's going to be really cool though. Wow. That looks like something that would be very expensive. That is so cute. Such a nifty little design. I can't believe that's completely made out of clay. That is just amazing. And then we have some more candles here. Candle holders. This is another simple DIY. So she's pretty much using contact paper for this. I thought that this was paint splatter, but I guess it's just contact paper. That's pretty cool. It's pretty nifty actually. You just take like an old tin can. This looks like it might be from like canned tuna fish or something, and she's just repurposing it, pouring in some wax. Very cool and simple project idea. Alright, so the next DIY involves a brown paper bag. So she cut the tops off, the handles. I've actually seen quite a few projects with just the handles of a brown paper bag. It's really interesting. One even involved a mirror design, but we'll see what she does with this. Oh, she's gluing them back on. Okay, so I guess you just like resized the bag and then added some foliage to it. Oh, wow. Okay. That's that's another easy beginner friendly project. We're seeing a lot of easy ones today. So someone has a plastic old Coca-Cola bottle here. Let's see what they do with this. Oh my goodness, do not tell me that they are making some type of ceiling light. That would be such a cool design. A ceiling light made out of Coca-Cola plastic bottle. Oh, they have styrofoam that they're putting on here. Oh, wow. I don't know what they're making, but I feel like this would make for a really cool light design. Oh, they made like a floral piece. Okay, but can you imagine this with some fairy lights? I feel like that would look absolutely amazing. Wow, that actually looked like flowers though. That's pretty cool. Okay, we have some type of molding here. Oh, it looks like another DIY featuring a tin can. Okay, so I think I've seen a similar one before. They made some type of vase with this design. Let's see if that's what this person is doing. Yes, I love the light pink color too. Those flowers are gorgeous. Wow, very pretty. Okay, so here's the next DIY. Just some type of picture frame here, piece of wood. Her projects are usually a little bit more advanced. They're always amazing though. I like that kind of like, I don't know if that's a picture frame or not, because it's like, it looks like it's made out of cement. Oh, she's making a table with this. Wow. Oh my gosh. This is so cool. Oh, this is pretty. Wow. Very cool. It's so different too, like very unique. I love pieces like this. They're like statement pieces within your home. And then we have a paper towel DIY. I actually like to see what they, like, don't show me what you're going to make before you make it. I like to see what it is afterwards, and I can like guess along the way. But it's also kind of nice knowing what you're getting ready to look at too. This is quite a complicated paper towel holder, if you ask me. All right, going in with the paint splatter. I feel like for paper towel holders, I just want it to be functional and just give me the paper towel when I want it. This looks very complicated. Alright, you guys, I hope you enjoyed checking out these DIY project ideas and hearing my reactions. If you did, please be sure to give this video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.